Hello friends, welcome back to our channel once again. Today we are going to show you how can we make use of wood bark. This is wood bark, partially decomposed wood bark. This can be used in our potting soil. This can make the potting soil very coarse, very airy and neutralizes the potting soil. This can be a good addition to the potting soil. Instead of using stones and pebbles and different material to make the potting soil coarse, so this is an organic material and this is good material for potting soil. I have found a very good partially decomposed wood bark. This tree was dead actually before the monsoon, and during the monsoon it is partially decomposed, and we can easily take out the bark from this tree trunk. This bark is very good and it is thick, can be used for the potting soil. This is how it is taken out from the tree trunk. This is actually wet now. We need to dry it in the sun, and there are microorganisms in this. There can be dangerous bacteria and even worms and other insects. We are drying it in the sun, and we'll make it crispy so that we can cut into bits and pieces. This is almost partially crispy now, and yeah, this is how it has to be dried. After drying it in the hot sun, it became crispy, and then now we are going to sterilize this wood bark, because there are definitely dangerous bacteria and some organisms, microorganisms, which may spoil the potting soil and could be dangerous for the plants. So we are putting it in the hot boiling neem water. These are the neem leaves, fresh neem leaves we have brought, and they are in the boiling water, and the wood bark is also added in the boiling water, and this is being sterilized now. We will be keeping this for about an hour or so, and all the fungal and bacterial and even those organisms, dangerous organisms, are eradicated. Yeah, it is almost ready now. This is how the wood bark looks now. Now this has absorbed all the neem contents, the antifungal and antibacterial properties of neem, which will definitely help in the potting soil. So now we are going to take it to the hot sun, and this has to be dried once again and made it crispy, and we have to make them into small pieces, bits and pieces. We have to, so that we can use them in the potting soil. Otherwise they will become too big to decompose. These will take about a day or so, or a couple of days in the hot sun, because they have absorbed a good amount of water, neem water. So this is how it is dried. This is almost dry now. Now the further procedure is to cut them into pieces to make small chips. Yes, they are dry and crispy now, and we will make them into small chips so that they can be mixed well in the potting soil. This is not a fertilizer actually, and of course this is not going to take much time for decomposition, and while getting it decomposed, this will not consume more of nitrogen. If it is a fresh wood chip or sawdust or something like that, that will definitely consume more nitrogen from the soil. This is not the case in these wood bark. This is partially decomposed wood bark. So we have already made them into bits and pieces. They were crispy and not so difficult to convert them into chips. So now let us start the procedure for potting. How the potting mix is prepared with the wood bark chips. So this is the soil, garden soil, and we'll be adding compost in this. This is a natural fertilizer, very good organic fertilizer, and this will also help keeping the soil coarse. And this is the cow dung, a very old dried cow dung. This is also a good manure. And now, yes, we are going to add the wood chips, the wood bark chips. They are crispy and sterilized and very healthy for the plants. This will, again, I am telling you, this will help keeping the soil very coarse, very airy, and keeps the soil neutral, and very helpful for developing the roots. The plant will flourish in this kind of potting soil. So this is the use of wood bark chips. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, click on the like button, subscribe it, and share it with your near and dear ones. Please don't forget to click on the bell button so that you can receive the notification of our future videos. Till then, keep well, keep safe, and goodbye.